heartbroken. I boarded a plane and it soon landed me in Sardinia. This was actually my first trip to Sardinia, and it still ranks as being my favorite travel destination so far. Sardinia is framed by large boulders and rocks, bright blue water, and an unexplored shoreline. We booked a bungalow for 4 nights by the ocean. Would I be able to put my heartbreak behind me? I spent many hours on the beach, dipping my feet into the water while sitting on the dock, or walking barefoot through the cool sand. I smiled and laughed for the camera. I discovered that when you put a smile on your face, that it tricks your friend into thinking that you're happy. And soon a smile became routine as I posed for my friend's camera. I brought my cookware with me, and we prepared so many delicious and healthy meals with local ingredients. Cooking has always been my best way of therapy. Even though Sardinia is a popular travel destination, it wasn't difficult to find a nice, quiet spot away from the crowds. One day I was sitting on the dock and decided to go for it. I leaped off the dock and into the aquamarine water. I swam and paddled around, having fun and working out some of the angers and disappointments in my mind. Immersing myself in the ocean was one of the best healing remedies for me. I spent plenty of time sitting in grassy fields, simply relaxing. The dry grass tickled my arms. I spent many hours in quiet contemplation. Which direction would life take me in now? What would I do when I return home? I was able to calm and soothe my mind, and was soon able to control my thoughts on demand. I eventually moved away from Europe and now spending more time with my friends and families. That vacation made me realize what life is really all about. Spend time with people who matter. Place all the rest in your memories.